In this video, I will show you how to change the country of your YouTube channel. This can be useful if you're traveling or you want it to match the country of your target audience. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So, first of all, open up your preferred web browser and then go to youtube.com. And then log into your account. After that, click on your channel icon at the top right of the screen. And then click on your channel. And when you are on your YouTube channel, click on this Customize Channel button at the top right. And it will open up the YouTube Studio in a new tab. And then when you are in the YouTube Studio, at the bottom left of the screen, click on Settings. And then when you are on the Settings screen, select Channel. Right now, you can see there is an option called Country of Residence under the Basic Info section. So click on it, and it will show you basically all of the countries in the world. So, you can select any country that you like. And once you have selected a country, click on Save over here. And let's go over to my channel. And click About. As you can see under the details, it shows the country that I selected as the location of this channel. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.